Need to provide public Wi-Fi, but require separate login portals for different users? Maybe a cafe, a hotel, and private offices all in one building? In this tutorial, we'll use the power of VLANs on a Mikrotik router to create completely isolated networks, each with its own customized hotspot login page. Let's get started. Step 1. The concept and planning. First, let's understand the plan. We'll create separate virtual LANs, or VLANs, for each Ethernet ports. Let's explain the diagram. As per the diagram, Ethernet 1 or Internet port will be connected to Internet router or modem. Ethernet 2 will configure for VLAN 100 and IP address 192.168.2.1 for hotspot page 1. And Ethernet 3 will configure for VLAN 200 IP address 192.168.3.1 for hotspot login page number 2. Now, let's configure router. Step 2. Login Mikrotik router. After login of router, in default configurations, just remove default configuration and login router again. First, create bridge interface. To create bridge, go to bridge option from left side menu. Then press plus button and apply OK settings. Now go to ports tab and press plus button and add Ethernet 2, Ethernet 3, Ethernet 4, and 5 and VLAN to bridge one by one. Once all ports added to bridge, now add VLANs. Step 3. Create VLANs. To create VLANs, go to interface option from left side menu. Then go to VLAN tab. Press plus button and create VLAN 100 and VLAN 200 on bridge interface. First, give VLAN name Hotspot 1, here for identify easily. You can give any other name as per your network. Give VLAN ID number 100. Select Interface Bridge 1 and apply OK button. Repeat same steps for VLAN 200. Give VLAN name Hotspot 2. Give VLAN ID number 200. Select Interface Bridge 1 and apply OK button. Untag VLAN on interface. Go to Bridge from left side menu. Then go to VLAN tab. Press plus button. Give VLAN ID 100. Select Untagged Interface Ethernet 2 and apply OK. Now repeat same steps to add VLAN 200. Give VLAN ID 200. Select Untagged Interface Ethernet 3 and apply OK. IP address configuration. Now go to IP and then address option from left side menu. Press Add button. Give IP address 192.168.88.1 for bridge interface and apply OK button. Press Add button again and give IP address 192.168.2.1. Select interface hotspot 1 and apply OK. Press Add button again and give IP address 192.168.3.1. Select interface hotspot 2 and apply OK. Add IP address again and configure Ethernet 1 for your Internet IP address. IP address for VLANs you can use as per your networks. NAT settings. Go to IP and then Firewall. Go to NAT tab and press plus button, then go to Action tab and select Masquerade and apply OK. Default gateway and DNS settings. To add default gateway, open terminal and use Command IP route add gateway. Provide your Internet default gateway and press Enter key. Add DNS server. Go to IP and then DNS. Add DNS serve primary and secondary and apply OK settings. To confirm Internet settings, ping DNS or any website IP address. Make sure Ethernet 1 connected to Internet. DNS server pinging means router Internet active. Now, let's set up hotspot. Hotspot setup. To set up hotspot login page, go to IP then hotspot option. Press hotspot setup button. Hotspot setup wizard will start. Select interface hotspot 1 and press next button. IP address and gateway settings will show as per interface settings. Follow next create user and password and finish setup. Press hotspot setup button again and select interface hotspot 2 and repeat same steps. After finish hotspot setup, now let's test the settings. Ethernet 2 with VLan 100 will provide IP address 192.168.2.1 IP series. And Ethernet 3 with VLan 200 provide 192.168.3.1 IP series. If you are using managed switch, you can directly configure access port in the switch and connect Ethernet 2 to that switch. Here I will use VLan IDs to network settings to test configurations. Test configurations. Hotspot 1. Connect PC or laptop to Ethernet 2. And change VLan ID 100 on your PC laptop LAN settings if not using managed switch. You will get IP address 192.168.2.1 series and Hotspot login page will open. Getting correct IP address as per VLan 100 for Hotspot 1. Now open any website and you should get login page. Use login user details created during Hotspot setup. And after login, internet should start work. Perfect, and you are successful login to Hotspot page 1. Now test Hotspot 2. Connect PC or laptop to Ethernet 3 and change VLan ID 200. Now you should get IP address 192.168.3.1 series. And again, Hotspot login page should open. Check IP address and confirm IP address 192.168.3.1 series. Once confirmed, now visit any website. Try open any website and Hotspot login page number 2 should open first. Login with username and password. Perfect login page working. Now use login details and press OK button. If you're not getting login page, make sure your PC or laptop Wi-Fi disabled while testing via Ethernet. That's it. If this deep dive into Mikrotik helped you, please support us with a like, share, and subscribe for more advanced networking tutorials. Thanks for watching.